Starting your musical journey genuinely doesn't need to be complicated or expensive, and today's beginner keyboards make learning easier than ever. Built-in lessons, realistic sounds, and features that grow with you. In 2026, there's a perfect keyboard for every new player. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to TechBeat. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Casio Casiotone CT-S1 is the genuine ultra-slim minimalist pick, delivering surprisingly good sound quality in a genuinely stylish, remarkably thin body that doesn't overwhelm new players. The standout is the genuine combination of a beautifully slim, modern design and simple, uncluttered controls, which delivers genuinely quality piano and instrument sounds without the intimidating wall of buttons that scares off beginners. A real advantage for anyone who wants to start playing without a steep learning curve for the keyboard itself. The touch-sensitive keys respond genuinely naturally to how hard you press, teaching real dynamic playing technique from day one. And the built-in speakers deliver genuinely clear, pleasant sound for practice. The lightweight, genuinely portable design makes it easy to move between rooms or take to lessons. And the battery power option adds genuine flexibility. Casio's decades-long reputation for beginner-friendly keyboards backs it. For beginners who want a genuine, stylish, simple, quality-sounding keyboard, the Casio CT-S1 is the most minimalist, most beginner-approachable pick on this entire list. The Casio CT-S1 delivers genuinely quality sound in a stylish, simple, beginner-approachable design. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Simple, stylish, ready to learn. The Casio CT-S300 is the genuine, feature-rich learning pick, delivering a generous library of sounds, rhythms, and genuinely built-in lesson functions that actively help you learn to play. The standout is the genuine combination of hundreds of instrument tones and rhythm accompaniments with dedicated lesson features, which lets beginners genuinely explore different sounds and musical styles, while the built-in lesson functions provide real practice guidance and feedback. A real advantage over the more minimalist CT-S1 for anyone who wants active learning support built in. The touch-sensitive keys teach genuine, proper dynamic technique, and the wide variety of tones keeps practice genuinely engaging and fun for new players. The onboard rhythms let you genuinely play along with backing tracks, building real timing and confidence. The compact, portable design suits genuine home practice or lessons, and Casio's reputation for beginner-focused features backs it. For beginners who want genuine active learning tools and a rich sound library, the Casio CT-S300 is the most feature-rich, most learning-focused pick on this entire list. The Casio CT-S300 delivers a rich sound library with genuinely built-in lesson functions to help you learn. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Learn as you play, genuinely. The Yamaha Piaggero 76 key is the genuine best overall pick, delivering Yamaha's renowned piano sound quality across a genuinely more piano-like 76 key range in a portable, stage-friendly design. The standout is the genuine 76 key range combined with Yamaha's celebrated authentic piano tone, which delivers a genuinely more realistic, closer to full piano playing experience than smaller 61 key keyboards, while remaining genuinely light and portable enough to carry to lessons or gigs, a real advantage for beginners who want to build proper piano technique on a more complete keyboard. The touch-sensitive keys respond genuinely naturally, teaching real dynamic control, and Yamaha's renowned sound engine delivers genuinely convincing high-quality piano and instrument tones. The slim, lightweight design is genuinely easy to transport, and the simple, intuitive controls keep the learning curve genuinely manageable. Yamaha's legendary reputation for keyboard sound quality backs it. For beginners who want the genuine, most authentic piano-like playing experience with real portability, the Yamaha Piaggero 76 key is the most well-rounded, most piano-authentic pick on this entire list. The Yamaha Piaggero 76 key delivers Yamaha's renowned authentic piano sound across a genuinely fuller key range. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Authentic sound, genuine range. The Yamaha PSR-E360 is the genuine, full-featured all-rounder pick, packing an extensive library of voices, rhythms, and educational features into a genuinely comprehensive, beginner-friendly package. Where the Piaggero focuses on authentic piano feel, the PSR-E360 steps up with genuine breadth, a real advantage for beginners who want to explore many instrument sounds and musical styles, rather than focus purely on piano technique. The standout is the genuine, massive library of voices and auto accompaniment rhythms, which lets beginners experiment with countless instrument sounds and play along with full band backing tracks in any style, making practice genuinely fun and musically engaging from the start. The The touch-sensitive keys teach genuine, proper dynamics, and the educational features, including genuine practice functions, help build real skill. The onboard speakers deliver genuinely clear sound, and Yamaha's renowned reputation for feature-packed beginner keyboards backs it. For beginners who want genuine maximum sound variety and engaging practice features, the Yamaha PSR-E360 is the most feature-packed, most musically varied pick on this entire list. The Yamaha PSR-E360 delivers a massive library of sounds and rhythms for genuinely engaging beginner practice, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Every sound, endless practice fun. Closing out the list with the Roland E-X50. The genuine trusted brand quality pick, bringing Roland's renowned sound engineering and build quality to a genuinely capable beginner keyboard. The standout is the genuine combination of Roland's respected sound engine and solid, reliable build quality, which delivers genuinely rich, well-crafted instrument tones and dependable performance backed by a brand renowned in the music industry for genuine sound quality expertise. A real advantage for beginners who want gear that feels built to last. The touch-sensitive keys respond genuinely naturally, teaching real dynamic playing from day one, and the variety of onboard sounds and rhythms keeps practice genuinely engaging. The intuitive controls keep the learning curve genuinely manageable for new players, and the sturdy build handles genuine regular practice use well. Roland's legendary reputation in professional and consumer music gear backs it with genuine credibility. For beginners who want genuine trusted Roland quality and reliable sound engineering, the Roland E-X50 is the most trusted brand. Most reliably built pick on this entire list, the Roland E-X50 delivers Roland's genuinely trusted sound engineering and reliable build quality, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Trusted quality, ready to learn. Almost done, and if this breakdown just helped you find the right beginner keyboard, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right keyboard to start learning, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.